You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that confuses a lot of people. It essentially means to reject a decision. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. The British English pronunciation, because the American pronunciation is different, is as veto. Okay, it's not veto. In Latin it would be said as veto. But in English, veto, or the American English pronounces it as veto with a flap T, what's called a flap T, that actually sounds like a D. So veto in the US, or veto in the UK, or everywhere else that speaks English. Veto or veto. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.